Fantastic normal content. Okay, so, yes, it's dark. So I didn't get to actually see anything. I worked very late today, so that's just how it was. I hate having two 5 o'clocks in one day. But over the last couple of days, we actually did have quite a bit of wind for, at least part of the days. And I need to get back into this habit because I don't have them labeled. I know everybody's asked me to have them labeled, or several people have asked me to have them labeled, and I haven't gotten around to doing it. Sorry. This is the meter for the Healy 2.0. Now, last week we were sitting at 32 kilowatt hours, 32 kilowatt hours on Friday. Over this week, we've done 7 kilowatt hours of power, which is pretty good. It really did it on like 2 days. There were a couple hours on a couple of days that wind was really blowing, and that's whenever it made all that power. Same thing for the i1500. This meter is the i1500, and that one did 4 kilowatt hours. So pretty consistent with the 50% of the Healy. And then our washing machine turbine, it was sitting at, I think it was 5460 something. I want to say 5463 last week. We did 2 kilowatt hours on that one. 7435, almost 2 kilowatt hours exactly. Now, I do have the Missouri turbine. Something's wrong with that inverter, and it was just breaking anytime that I turned the inverter on. I did make a little bit of power, but it didn't work very well. I think that inverter is shot. I am going to look at changing, like going through this inverter. All I saw peak was like 70 watts. I think 100 and something watts out of that turbine whenever the wind was just really moving and driving these all my others, which I don't have a lot of high expectations for this Missouri turbine. I think that a lot of the specs on a lot of the Missouri turbines are rather bloated, but I expect more than 70 watts, especially in with as many blades as it's got. It should be able to just overpower. I don't know how to put it. Very tired. Like I said, 2 5 o'clocks in one day. I think that the Missouri turbine should be doing better. But I don't have a way to really see what this thing is seeing, because by the time it goes through this, whatever this machine's doing with the power and coming out this meter, I want to say, no, that says 53 kilowatt hours because I didn't reset that. I didn't reset it, so I don't know what it did over the last week. But I'm going to try. I'm going to be working out of town this week. I'm going to take this inverter with me, and I'm going to try and see if, because it's still got to work about the same way. It's got to take in that 3-phase power, convert it through a rectifier like these, and then do something with it on that end. I want to take one of these meters and see if I can just, wire it in line with the DC power after the rectifier and see what happens. Or if it's possible. It may not be possible. I don't know. We're going to see what it'll do. So anyway, that's this week. 7 kilowatt hours, 4 kilowatt hours, 2 kilowatt hours on the washer turbine. Healy, 7 kilowatts. i1500, 4 kilowatts. Washer turbine, 2 kilowatt hours. So that's where we are this week. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful evening. Good night.